What is that fluffy stuff?
It's a 75 liner.
Look how
Much like cotton wool, it looks like.
we're training a little bit with inversion lining today.
Look at the liner.
The resin goes into the inverted liner and must be spread evenly along the length. Then using the Picote Canon, which is a transparent pressurized application tool to apply the liner. Inversion liner is like an inside-out sock forced through the open end of the cannon by the pressure. It inflates like a balloon all the way through the pipe, and the resin inside the sock is forced to the outside of the sock and in contact with the outer walls of the pipe. The liner can be disconnected and kept under pressure while it cures. A faster curing time is obviously ideal for this kind of liner. This one has cured within an hour and is rock hard. We're very happy with the outcome here. There are better quality liners on the market that would absorb the epoxy more efficiently, but this is more than good enough. This liner should outlast any PVC pipe.